Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about the group by and having command in SQL Server 2022. So let's get started. Now here is the group by statement. What is the group by? So group by will do the grouping for some same values into the summary rows. Suppose you have a table inside the column, and in column if there is a multiple entries with the same name, so you can grouping them and you can calculate how many entries are with the same name. Now, the group by statement is often used with the aggregate function like a count, sum, average, and minimum and the max. So you can you have to use your group by command with the aggregate functions. And here is the syntax how you can use the group by command. So that is a like a select office. This is a table name. You are counting the office location, how many employees are inside this office location, and then you can do the group by. And here is a command for the having clause. So having can be used with the select statement, and having is typically used with the group by closed. And the having clause was added to the SQL because where condition cannot be used with the aggregate function. So you cannot use the where condition with the aggregate function. So aggregate function is like a minimum, maximum, count, average, and sum. So all these are the aggregate function. And this is the syntax how you can use it. So select the count table name as the counts. You can mention the column name, the office location, and from the employee, and having the counts office location greater than or equal to 2. So that's how you can use it. So let me move it to the SQL server, and we'll do the practical uh, how you can use the having and the group by command. Okay, so I am under my the SQL lab. Now let me type the select start from and the table name. Table name is a employee, and let me execute what the data I have. So I have the location is might be the repeated multiple times is the UK, USA is the 2 times, and the UK is 1 time, India, Canada, Dubai. And we have like a HR department, IT department, sales department, and then the HR department. So we can take any one the office location or the department. We can do the grouping by the office location and the department. But the first name is a unique. Employee ID is the unique, last name is the unique, so there is a no use for the grouping here. So let's see how we can use the grouping here. Type the your which column you want it. So let me just type office location. I can mention this table name is emp, so that will be easy to write the command emp dot the office location select emp is like why it is not coming. Oh, sorry, it's e. So let's type the emp dot the office location and mention is as your like a I can give the name is for uh, anything the office location, and let's execute this command. What the data we are getting the office location. Now I'm going to use the group by inside this table. So let's use the same command here, put it the comma and go here and use the count. The count bracket start bracket close, and here I can mention it say it's like a employee count. Oh, come on. EMPLOY employee count. So how many employee are related to particular this location. So let's execute this. Now it's giving the error because we are not defining the group by clause. So here just type the group by and mention the your table which you have defined for the count. It is the office location, and execute now. So now you seen it's the data is reflecting here. It's for your the Canada is having one employee count, Dubai is having one, India is having one, UK is one, and the USA is two employees. So USA is holding two employees. The similar way we can do the grouping for the other tables also. So now the question is uh, for having command. So having, how you can use the having command. For the syntax I told, it's a having and the your table name. So the table name is this, having a count of this, and I can say the greater than or equal for two values. So if any location is having equal to count, or the less equal or greater than is the two counts, so that data will be present here. So that's how we can use the having command. Let's see. So only the USA is having a two locations. Two employee counts are working from the USA location, or if you put it here one, then might be I'm getting the all the data. So that's how you can filter the data, because under the aggregate function like a count, you cannot use the where command. So instead of using the where command, you have to use the having command here. That's how you can use the group by and the having command in the SQL Server 2022. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in my next video with some of the code command about the SQL.